Okay, let us continue with the question 7. Create an unnecessary random password file. In this file, since we are creating, I am creating this one immediately. Python. Wow. Yes. Then it says, in this new file, please write a function that creates a random password for a user. Password length should be a parameter for this function and should be 12. Use that function to create random password for 100 users. Following code snippets are useful for these questions. Okay, let's push them. Import string, print. I don't need this output. Import random, print random. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, these are my numbers, and I can get these values. First of all, what does it say? It says I don't need this one. Creates a random password. Okay, creates a random password, and I can write def create random password. I'm using this verb create and doing this one as a name, and here should be by pass. I'm writing this way so that it doesn't show any compile errors. Name, parentheses, double column, and pass. And here it say that password length should be a parameter. Okay, put here password length. This is password, and we are using snake case again here. And it says that should be 12, and we should need to give this value as a 12. Then it says that use that function to create random password for 1000 users. Okay, how can I create a random password for password length? Okay, let's say this password. This should be an empty list. Okay, first of all, it says anything about the question doesn't say anything about lowercase, uppercase, and the other things. Therefore, I will create my function from this only uppercase functions. Okay, and here, okay, for index in range password length. Okay, I need to create a random number. Is this rand and random number is good enough, and I can say that this is my here number between, let's say, this 0 to here length of this, what we are taking, this string of ASCII character uppercase, this num. From this I am getting a random number, and here using this one, let me show it here. For example, this here. Okay, num. I can print this num. I can also print this here, this num. Let's run. As you can see, these ASCII characters are here. This 60 character is G. 0, 1. Here, remember we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, 6 characters. And I want to get a number from not 1 to 10, but let's say length of this string ASCII characters. String that ASCII uppercase. ASCII uppercase. And if I run this one, in every run I should see something different. Okay. Okay. 11, 20, 6. I'm getting different ones. And here this password, the same code, equals to password plus str num, since I cannot add the num to password directly, and here I can say that return password. Here I created my password. Let's run this one. Print, create random password, and run it. Okay. Oh, okay, but I am getting this num. Num is not enough for me. I need to get this character. Okay, character equals to here, and I need to add this character. I don't need to change to the str, and here, yeah, as you can see this, I am getting different passwords. Second part of the question says that create a random password for 1000 users, and then instead of this print statement for index for user number in range 1000, I need to, let's say, f user number, let's say this one, and create random password. Let's see what will happen. Okay, in the random we have this the uppercase included, therefore I need to lesser one. Yeah, and here this random int, for example, if I give it 0 to 10, it gives me numbers between 0 and 10 included, but I don't want to add this one since the last number, since we are starting counting from the 0.